Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the Karnaugh map K-map representation. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. Link is given in the description box. Now we will go to the topic K-map Karnaugh map. It is used to simplify the Boolean expression. In order to implement with logic gates, the given Boolean expression is simplified by the K-map method. During the process of simplification of Boolean expression, we have to predict each successive step. So while simplifying, we need to concentrate each successive step. We can never be absolutely certain that an expression simplified by Boolean algebra alone. It is the simplest possible expression. So by using Boolean algebra also we can simplify the given Boolean function, but this K-map method is the simplest possible expression it will give. The simplest possible expression is given by the K-map. On other hand, the map method gives us a systematic approach for simplifying the Boolean expression. Certain procedure available, systematic approach is available. Accordingly, we can simplify the Boolean expression. While going with the Boolean algebra, we have to use the certain properties and certain theorems in order to simplify. It may be differ, but here the same process, simplest process is applying before for the simplifying the Boolean expression. That is the main advantage of the K-map. So this map method first proposed by the Vitek and modified by Karnaugh, so that it is called as a Vitek diagram or Karnaugh map, right? So the K-map is the simplest process to get the simplify the Boolean expression, and also it will give the simple possible expression. Simplest possible expression is given by the K-map, right? Now we will see the how to plot the K-map. So there are four types available, right? 1 variable, 2 variable, 3 variable and 4 variable. First we will see the 1 variable map. Let us consider 1 variable A. So due to 1 variable there are two possibilities, 0, 1, that is A bar A, right? So this first cell refers A bar, second cell refers A, right? Either 0, 1 or A bar A. In case of 2 variable map, let us consider the 2 variable AB. Vertically there is a variable A is assigned vertically, the B is assigned horizontally. So A having two possible options, 0, 1. B also having two options, 0, 1. So because of 2 variable there are 4 possibilities, 2 to the power 2, 4 possibilities, right? So this A available this side, B available this side, 2 possible ways, 0, 1, 0, 1. So by combining these we have 4 possibilities. So the first cell is nothing but 0, 0. You have to see what is available in the horizontal line as is available in the vertical line, 0, 0. This one 0, 1. This is 1, 0, 1, 1. Right, you have to combine this 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0 like that. That is, in case of variable, it is A bar, B bar, A bar, B. Here A, B bar, here A, B. Like that we can represent, right? We will go to the 3 variable and 4 variable map. So let us consider the 3 variable A, B, C. A is available vertically, B and C available horizontally. So A single variable having 2 possibilities, 0, 1. B, C 2 variable having 4 possibilities, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. See the order 0, 0, 0, 1, then not given 1, 0. The 1, 0 is given in the 4th column, 1, 1 is given in the 3rd column. There is a change in the order, 1, 2, this is 3 and 4. So always there is a change in the order, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 is given in 4th column, 1, 0 is given in 4th column, 1, 1 is given in the 3rd column. There is a change in 3rd and 4th column, right? So we have these possibilities, right? This due to that this is A bar A. This will be 0, 0 mean B bar C bar. This is B bar C, B C, B C bar. So what is the first cell? First cell is 0, 0, 0. All are zeros. That means A bar, B bar, C bar. Similarly, second one 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1 A bar, B bar, C. Like that we can fill all the cells. For example, if you consider this last cell is nothing but 1, 1, 0. 1, 1, 0. 1, 1 means A, B, C bar. Like that we can fill all the parameters, all the cells. Now we'll go to the 4 variable map. Let us consider the 4 variable A, B, C, D. A, B is represented in vertical manner. CD is represented in horizontal manner. Because of AB, we have 4 possibilities: 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Similarly, CD also having 4 possibilities: 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Because of 4 variable, 2 to the power 4, there are 16 possibilities are available. Right? So, first one is nothing but 0, 0, 0, 0. Means A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. Second one, 0, 0, 0, 1. These two zeros and 0, 1. That means A bar, B bar, C bar and D. Like that we can represent. For example, if we consider this is 1, 0, 1, 0. 1, 0, 1, 0 means A, B bar, C, D bar. This cell is nothing but A, B bar, C, D bar. See this order here also order changed. 0, 0, 0, 1. Then 1, 1 is 1, 0 is available in the fourth column. 1, 1 is available in the third column. Right? There is a interchange. 3 and 4 are interchange. Similarly here also 0, 0, 0, 1. 1, 0 available in the fourth row. 1, 1 is available in the third row. Right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4, 3. Right? Third row is fourth one. Fourth row is third one. Right? So the row wise as well as column wise, there is a interchange in third and fourth column or third and fourth row. Right? So these are all the variable representations. Now we'll see how to represent with the 1 variable, 2 variable, 3 variable map in the product term as well as sum term. The sum of product of sum, SOP and POS form. First we'll see the SOP form, sum of product form. Right? We'll go to the 1 variable map. 1 variable map means only 1 variable. Let us consider A, that is A bar A. Right? The first cell represents A bar, second cell represents A. In terms of the value, min term and max term, it is 0, 1. First cell is 0, second cell is 1. While going with the 2 variable map. 2 variable map, let us consider 2 variable AB. Vertically we represented A, horizontally we represented B. So A having 2 options, A bar, B having 2 options, B bar. Then what is the first cell? A bar, B bar. Second one is A bar, B. Third one is A, B bar. Fourth one is A, B. Right? So the value is, while representing the min term, is 0, 1, 2, 3. So by expression also we can give terms also, A bar, B bar, A bar, B, like that. Sometimes the min term, max terms will be given. So that also represented. The first cell represented 0, second 1, third is 2, fourth is 4, 3. Right? We can represent this red color represent the min term. Now we'll consider the 3 variable map. We'll go into the 3 variable map. So let us consider 3 variable A, B, C. A is represented vertically. B and C represented horizontally. So A having 2 options, A bar, A. B, C having 4 options, B bar, C bar, B bar, C, B, C, P, C bar. So because of 3 variable, we have 8 possibilities are available. 2 to the power 3, 8 possibilities. See the min term value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Already we discussed third and fourth column and third and fourth row is interchanged. Right? 0, 1 means 2 will be available in fourth column, 3 available in third column, 4, 5, 6 available in fourth column, 7 available in the third column. There is a interchange between third and fourth column. Right. So this the red color represent the min term value 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. In terms of product form, it is A. This is A, this is B bar, C bar. So that A bar, B bar, C. A bar, B bar, C. A bar, B, C. A bar, B, C bar. Right. So this entire first row A bar will be there. Then the first column in B bar, C bar. Second mean B bar, C, like that. So in this cell we have A. Then here what is available? A, B bar, C bar. A, B bar, C. A, B, C. A, B, C bar. Right. So like this we can represent the 3 variable map A, B, C. There are 8 possibilities are available. Now we'll go to the 4 variable map. Let us consider 4 variable A, B, C, D. A, B represented vertically, CD represented horizontally, right? So what are the option? A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A B, A B bar, that is 0 0, 0 1, 1 1, 1 0. Similarly, CD having 4 options: C bar, D bar, C D bar, C D, C D bar, right? There are also 4 options: 0 0, 0 1, 1 1, 1 0. Third and fourth column is interchanged. This red color represent the min terms. We'll see the first, we'll see the min terms. 0 1, 2 is available in third column, fourth column, 3 is available in the third column. There is a interchange: 0 1, 2 3. Similarly, 4 5, 6 7. Then while going to row also interchange: 1 2, third you have to go to the fourth row, 8 is available in the fourth row, 8 9 10 11. So there is a interchange between third and fourth column. Similarly, third and fourth row, right? 1 2 3 4, 0 1 2, 2 is 2 for 2, you have to go to fourth column, 3 third column. Similarly, 0 4, this after 7, while writing 8, we have to go to the fourth row, 8 9 10 11, 12 13 14 15, right? So like this only we can represent the K map. There is a interchange between third and fourth column, third and fourth row. Now we'll go to the product terms. See, this A bar, B bar is available. So this cell will be combination of this. You have to combine all these two: A bar, C bar, and D bar, C bar, D bar. A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. This one. What about this cell? A bar, B bar, then C, D bar. You have to write these two terms. For this cell, you have to write this one and this one: A bar, B bar, C, D. For this one, A bar, B bar, C, D bar. So like that we can write the terms, right? For example, this one, nothing but A, B bar, C, D bar. So this cell is nothing but A, B, C, D. This is the maximum value, 15, A, B, C, D. So like this we can represent the product terms, right? We discuss 1 variable, 2 variable, 3 variable, and 4 variable. Similarly, we can go to the sum term, PYS, product of sum. So the sum term, product of sum term, we will see that 1 variable and 2 variable. First consider 1 variable A. So it is reversed. 0 is represented A, 1 is represented A bar. What are the things available in product term? It is all are opposite to that sum term, right? A represented 0, A bar represented 1. In previous case, A 0 represented by A bar, 1 represented by A. Now it is interchange. So A, first cell is A, second cell will be A bar, 0 1. This is a min term. While going with the 2 variable map, let us consider 2 variable AB. A represented horizontally, B represented vertically. So we have A bar, A bar, B, B bar. A means 0, A bar means 1. B means 0, B bar means 1. Right? So this is the min term, 0, 1, 2, 3. So what is this cell? Combine these two. Here plus. Previously we multiplied the terms A, B, C, A, B bar, C bar. Now you have to add sum term. That's why we call sum term. A plus B. Here A plus B bar. This one A plus A bar plus B. This one A bar plus B bar. Right? So these two terms are added and written here. These two terms are added and written here. These two terms are added and written. Here, similarly here also we need to add the terms, right? So what is discussed earlier, it is completely opposite. There multiplied, now it is added. That's why it is called a sum term. Similarly, now we'll go to the 3 variable map. So let us consider 3 variable A and BC. A is represented vertically, B represented horizontally, B and C. So this is A bar A, right? This will be not A bar, is a. Then we have B plus C. Earlier what we wrote BC, BC bar like that. Now it is B plus C. B plus C bar. Earlier we wrote B bar C. Now B plus C bar. Earlier in this previous term we wrote BC. Now B bar C bar. This bar also varied. Now B bar plus C. Right. So these are all the 4 variables written in a sum term. So these are this red color is a min terms 0, 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7. There is a interchange between third and fourth column. So what is the first cell? A plus B plus C. Second one, A plus B plus C bar. So like that we can write all the variables. Now we'll go to the 4 variable map. The 4 variable map, let us consider the 4 variable A, B, C, D. A and B is represented vertically, C and D represented horizontally. Right. So what are the 4 possibilities? A plus B, A B bar, A plus B bar, A bar plus B bar, A bar plus B. Similarly, C D means C plus D, C plus D bar, C bar plus D bar, C bar plus D. Right. There are 4 possibilities available. So the 4 variable mean there are 16 possibilities are available. So this is the min term. The 0 represents the min term. This is a max term. In case of some term, it is max term. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Interchange between third and fourth column, third and fourth row. Right. So this variable also interchange. Previously we wrote C bar, D bar in product term. Now it is C plus D. Product is changed to sum, bar also changed to normal. Complemented also changed to uncomplement. C bar, D bar, earlier we wrote C bar, D bar. Now see this C bar, D bar changed from CD. Dot changed from plus. Right. All are changed. Right. Product is changed to sum, complement is changed to uncomplement. Now we can write this all combination. The first cell means A plus B plus C plus D. You have to write these 2 terms, A plus B, C, D. Second one means A plus B, then C plus D bar. Third one means A plus B, C bar plus D bar. Fourth one means A plus B, C bar plus D. So like that we can write all 16 combinations. After plotting this, we can go for a simplification of the expression. Right. So subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. Link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.